In the state of Nebraska, if you want to find a free campground, search for a wildlife management area. This is Grove Lake Wildlife Management Area in Royal, Nebraska. I had no idea what to expect when I headed out to Grove Lake. It's gorgeous here. There are so many trees. There was plenty of shade out here. There are no hookups, so the shade is appreciated. Each campsite had a fire ring or a barbecue grill, and they each had a picnic table. Some of the campsites were just surrounded by trees, so there was plenty of privacy in between each site. But some campsites were side by side, so you had some options. Every campsite is first come, first serve out here. There were families out here, fishermen out here, kayakers out here, and people just camping. I did see a travel trailer that looked to be about maybe 27 feet out here, and there was a nice little spot to turn around if needed. I don't know if you could get much bigger of a rig out here than that, though. This is my campsite, and it definitely had a low clearance, so my tiny camper was just right for this spot. The trees are gorgeous, so lush out here. My campsite had this great path out of the back side of it that led right down to that Clearwater Creek. It was so cool and beautiful. I actually brought a chair down here and sat in the creek and enjoyed every moment of it. Just so peaceful and beautiful. This is not a digital nomad destination. I had no cell phone reception out here. Good morning, Copley. Hi, buddy. Oh, are you cold? You need a doggy sweater. And here comes the sun. Ashfall Fossil Beds is only 8 miles from the campground. And for only $8 per person, this is well worth the fee to get in. You're looking at 12 million year old fossils right here. This was once a watering hole, and these poor little things died here, inhaling volcanic ash from an eruption in southwestern Idaho. The fossils have been left in place where they were found, and a barn has been erected to preserve this area. Dogs are welcome in the barn, but they are not allowed in the visitor center building unless they are a service dog or you're carrying your dog. So I carried my mom's little dog in a pouch. This building had a fun fossil dig setup for kids. I really appreciated this little theater with a movie that explained the history of the area. This was created by a past intern. Next, we had dinner at Green Gables of Pleasant Valley. It's a restaurant and a gift shop. It's only 8 miles from Ashfall fossil beds and only 5 miles from the campground. Be sure to check their Facebook page for their hours to make sure they're open before you head in.
Go, buddy. Bring me your stick. Where's your stick? Go get your stick. I'm gonna get your stick. No, you beat me. You beat me to it. There it is. There it is. I can't even keep up.
Only 3 miles from the campground is the Royal One Stop. They had everything you could possibly need for camping out here. I needed firewood, ice, and butter.
Oh my gosh, there's a path. This is right by my campsite. Oh, okay. I saw reviews online where they said that there's a good spot with clear water that's shallow where you could bring your kids to swim in the water. I kind of wonder if we're getting close to that spot or if this is the spot people were talking about. So pretty. Oh, I could bring my chair. I could bring my chair back here. Oh, this is lovely. Wow. This weather is just perfect. It's not hot. And it is not cold. Wow, this is so pretty.
Until next time, good night, all.